Welcome to Greenhouse, a simulated marketplace for verified carbon projects. For this MVP, data from real carbon projects was used, some completed, others ongoing. You can interact through two types of roles. First, that of a company that needs to offset its carbon footprint. To do this, you can claim our native ERC20 tokens to acquire tokenized project credits. We are going to connect the wallet with a compatible EVM address on the Hedera testnet network. If you see this warning, it's because the browser provider did not load correctly. After refreshing, we can claim the Greenhouse Coins token to acquire carbon credits from tokenized projects. You can purchase up to 20 credits per transaction. The goal was to mirror the mechanics of the carbon market, so credits cannot be sold to another person. You can only withdraw them when you need to offset the amount required by international GHG emission standards. When this climate asset is tokenized, DeFi protocols such staking, lending, and borrowing could be included. Once the transaction has been mined, we can see the NFT with the metadata associated with the project from which we purchased carbon credits. If as a company you need to offset your carbon footprint, you can withdraw this credit equivalent to 1 metric ton of CO2. You must enter the token ID that you want to withdraw. Once withdrawn, it is burned and another NFT withdrawal certificate is issued, which keeps a global count of all the tons withdrawn from all tokenized projects. You can also act as the owner of a project eligible to issue carbon credits. Simply click in Tokenize, update the list, and you will see the contract data and address reflected. You can now mint tokens to transfer them only once from your wallet. At the same time, those who need to reduce their carbon footprint can acquire them. You will be able to see the metadata with the project details in NFT imported into your wallet. Greenhouse proposals allow for democratizing access for both buyers and sustainable projects, provide greater transparency, traceability, and decentralization to carbon markets. This market is expected to grow significantly by 2030, specifically reaching $15 billion in market capitalization. This growth should allow a greater number of actors throughout the world to contribute to reducing GHG emissions and contribute to a healthier, cleaner, more democratic, and more sustainable world. This may be possible through the use of blockchain and Web3 technology. Many thanks to Hedera team from their student Blas Antonio Zamora.